Hello everyone. In this session, we'll focus on understanding the setup of the business partner category in the Onfinity ERP system. The objective is to gain clarity on how business partner categories function and how they relate to broader business processes. A configured tenant is a prerequisite in the environment. Organizations and accounting books must already be set up within the tenant. A business partner category is a classification that allows organizations to assign common properties, accounting rules, and default configurations to a group of business partners, such as customers or vendors. This helps in simplifying data entry, financial reporting, and control settings for similar entities. Examples include retail customers, wholesale customers, export customers, local vendors, foreign vendors, government clients, and job work vendors. To begin, log into the system. Use the menu search utility to search for Business Partner category. Alternatively, navigate to Master Data Management under Business Partner Center to access the same. Click on Business Partner category. To create a new record, click on New Record and enter the required name. If the star organization needs to be selected, remove or adjust filters accordingly. For example, to create a record for retail customers, if no search key is entered, the system will auto-generate one. Enter the name. Additional fields such as serial number control, priority base, and print color are not currently functional. If the category is for customers, select the appropriate sales price list. If any discounts are applicable for this group, select the relevant discount calculation. For return rules, select the appropriate return policy. Similarly, dunning rules can also be assigned. Once saved, the system will automatically generate the default accounting records associated with this group. If changes to the accounting configuration are required, adjustments can be made directly at the category level by searching and assigning the desired ledger code. To create a vendor group, repeat the steps and enter a name such as export vendors. Assign the vendor-specific price list, discount schema, or return policy if applicable. Save the record, and the system will again generate the default accounting settings for the vendor category. Credit Watch is available specifically for customer groups and can be applied to all customers assigned under the category. The list of assigned partners can be viewed by selecting the Business Partner category and checking the Assigned Partners tab. This shows all vendors or customers linked to that particular group. Multiple business partner categories can be created as needed. These categories can later be used for reporting and configuration across various processes. That was all for this session. Thank you for attending.